What's up, everybody? This is Mr. Couponer. Um, I did my game scenarios earlier on paper, and I was debating about posting them until later on in the week, but I decided to go ahead and post them today. And the reason being is because I was looking at all the coupons that Dollar General has posted, and we are getting so many free items this week with the game scenario alone. At least on one scenario, you can get up to 3 items. Pay attention. All right. So first, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Make sure you head over to Instagram and follow me at Mr. Couponer. I will include the link in the video. So the first scenario is going to get you 2 free items. All right. So what we're gonna do? You're gonna grab the Gain the Gain 12 to 14 count fling. They are $3.95, and there's a $2 off coupon. You will also grab. Now I broke the scenario up by the coupon, meaning I didn't want to write a total of 6 detergents with the total amount of coupons because I know some people can get confused. So what I did, I broke each item up by the coupon, so that way you know what coupon to clip. All right, so let's start again. So you would grab the Gain dishwashing liquid. There's a $2 off for 2, making it 1 free. Last week, I believe it was Short Mama 757 couponer that said that the 24-ounce dish liquid wouldn't work with the regular 5 off 25 combining the 2. So I don't know if it will be the same this week, but if your store got the 21.6, make sure you get a total of 6, but this item, there's 2. And then you would clip the $2 off of 2, making 1 free. Then there's another $1 off of 1, making 1 $1. Then there's another coupon, $2 off of 2, making another 1 free. There's a 50 cents off of 1 Gain dishwashing liquid, making that one $1.50. And there's $2 off of the Swiffer Swiffer starter kit, which is $4.50. Then there's $1 off of 2 Mr. Clean multi-purpose dilutes, which is 40 ounce. Make sure that is Gain scented, not Febreze scented, Gain scented. That would bring your subtotal to $26.45. Make sure you clip both 5 off 25 coupons, 5 off 25 Gain and 5 off 25 items. Then put your phone number in, all corresponding coupons will come off. The $2 for the fling, making it $14.45. $2 for the dish, making that one free. Another $1 off of the dish liquid. Another $2 off, making that one free. 50 cents off of 1, making that one $1.50. $2 off of the Swiffer refill, and then $1 off of Mr. Clean. This scenario, you only going to be paying $5.50 pre-tax. All right. So a total of savings of $20.95. 10 items at 55 cents each. Now, there is no way you're going to just go into a store and be able to pay 55 cents for a pack of flings or even for some detergent. So this is the best scenario that will get you the lowest out of pocket. Even let's say the 5 off 25 doesn't combine this week for whatever reason. Because this week was the first week that Dollar General has I don't know, my video cut out because my battery thing just popped up. But this is the first week. Well, last week was the first week that Dollar General increased the threshold for the 5 off 20. It used to be 5 off 20, but last week was the first week that they increased the threshold to 25. So I don't know if we don't know if they're gonna fix it this week or not. But let's say whatever reason, if they do, worst case scenario, right? y'all will still be paying $10.50, and you still would be saving $15.95. That's still good. You're still saving a good amount of money. All right, so let's get into the second scenario. Second scenario would be a little less items, but you're still going to be saving some money. Reason being, you would grab the Gain Powder 30 load, which is on sale for $3.95. Clip the $2 off of digital. The Gain Fling 51 count is $13.95. There's a $3 digital, making it $10.95. Get the Swiffer refill, which is $4.50. Clip the $2 digital. You will grab two Gain Dish 21.6 dishwashing liquids. Clip the $2 off of two, making one free. Subtotal at $26.40. Clip the 5 off 25 for Gain and the 5 off 25 regular. That would bring it down to $21.40 and $16.40. Then the $2 off of Gain, that will making that one free, will make it $14.40. $3 off of the Gain Fling will make it $11.40. $2 off of the Swiffer refill will make it $9.40. $2 off of the dish liquid will make it $7.40. Okay, that's the dish liquid. So you still will be getting one free. 5 items at only $1.48 and $19 in savings. So if you want to get the big thing again, you still paying, that's regular is almost $14. So you basically paying half of that to get 51 count, and then you also getting one free dish liquid, all for $7.40. So it's all about, not about how many items you getting. Oh, I'm only getting 4 items and I'm paying $7. But would you rather get 5 items and pay $7.40, or do you want to get one big item and pay $14? So it's about exactly like, what are you getting for how much you're paying? All right. So this is the last scenario. Sorry about that. All right, this is the last scenario. You will be getting 2 items free. All right, so again, it will be the Gain Fling 51 count, which is $13.95. There's a $3 off digital. The Gain 21.6 ounce, you will grab 2, which is $2 each. Clip the $2 off of 2, making one free. There's another $2 off of 2. Clip that one, making another one free. Then you would clip the $2 off of the Gain Fabric Softener 48 load, making that $1.95. That will bring your subtotal to $25.90. Make sure you clip both 5 off 25s. That will bring it down to $15.90. Then the $3 off of Fling, making it $12.90. The $2 off of the one dish soap, making that one free, making it $10.90. Another $2 off for another one, making that one free, making it $8.90. $2 off of the fabric softener, bring it down to $6.90. Savings of $19. 6 items at $1.15. So again, these are the scenarios for Dollar General, and like I said, it's a lot of free items that Dollar General is giving us this week. I would probably say go with the first scenario, because you'll be getting 3 items free and you're only paying $5.50. Then you'll be getting a total of 10 items, bringing each item down to 55 cents each. You're getting 3 free items again with the first scenario, because you will be having coupons to cover the dishwashing liquid. So these are the scenarios for Saturday, this upcoming Saturday. But I just wanted to post them today, because make sure you hold on to those Gain coupons for the week, for the end of the week. Again, make sure you go and follow me over on IG, Instagram at Mr. Couponer. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe the video, so that way we all can partake in all the savings. Thank y'all again for watching. Your support is very much appreciated. Have a good one.